Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to draw a box that is off the center line. First, add some lines from the left vanishing point, then extend some lines from the right vanishing points across them. Outline any panel that you see to start forming a box. Draw downward vertical lines from the edges of the box, making sure to stay parallel to the center line. You can select the depth of your box with your next vanishing line. I chose to have a slim box. Outline the new edges. Draw a vertical line downward from the last corner of the box. Connect the last corner to the vanishing line, then outline the edge. Add some shading. Use cross sections to create a square inside the square with perfect spacing from the edges. Erase extra lines. Slide your ruler over to draw a vertical line inside the box. Connect this new line by extending a line from the vanishing point. Mark the line to add more lines inside the box using the vanishing point. Here's the box with a little shading. Outline the edges after shading. Thanks for drawing. I'll see you in the next video.